Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this interesting problem here and we are going to solve this. First of all, we have to admit that we have what we're gonna have here. X has to be different from 0. This one has to be greater than or equals 0, and this one here has to be greater than or equals 0. Well guys, given this, so let's solve our equation. So I'm gonna keep this one here, which is square root of 20. uh, so actually I'm gonna have 20 over x plus x over x, right? Plus square root of, we're gonna have here 20 over x minus x over x, and then this is square root of 6. From here we're gonna have 20 over x plus 1 plus square root of 20 over x minus 1, and then this is square root of 6. From here I'm going to keep this one here, which is 20 over x plus 1, and then this is square root of 6 minus square root of 20 over x, right, minus 1. So guys, I'm going to square both sides of the equation. We're going to have this square and this one here square as well. So I'm gonna cut this and this. We're gonna have then 20 over x plus 1, and then this is gonna be equal, this one square is gonna be 6 minus 2 times these terms here, 2 square root of 6 square root of 20 over x minus 1, and then the square root of this, which is gonna be just 20 over x, and then minus 1, and then this one and this one is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. Coming to this side, we're going to have negative 4 equals to minus 2 square root of 6. This is 20 over x minus 1. So from here, let's just take to the square both sides again. We're going to have then 16 here, which is going to be equal, this one is going to be 4 times 6, right? And then we're going to have this one square is going to be just 20 over x minus 1. So now this one goes with this. We have just we have then 4, and this one come here, we will have 6 here, and then we will have 20 over x minus 1, and then from there we have then 2 over 3 here, and then plus 1 here equals 20 over x, and then this x comes multiplying here. We're going to have x which multiply this one here is going to be 5 over 3 equals 20. So then we have 5x equals, this one goes here, we're going to have 60, and then we have x equals to 60 divided by 5, and then we have x equals to 12. So this is our answer. Let's check if it's correct. Okay, so we're gonna have then, we have here our equation is 20 over x plus 1 plus square root of 20 over x minus 1. This is square root of 6. Let's work in this one here. We're gonna have then let's actually write the complete one here. So we would have square root of 20 plus x. Here we're going to have 20 plus 12 over 12 plus square root of 20 minus 12 over 12 equals square root of 6. Okay, so we will have then here, this one will give us square root of 32 over 12 plus here we're going to have then, this is going to be 8 divided by 12. This is square root of 6, and from here we can simplify by 4. We're gonna have then square root of 8 over 3, and then plus here we're gonna have then by 4 here we're gonna have square root of 2 divided by 3, and then this is square root of 6. So now here we're gonna have 2 square root of 2 over square root of 3 plus this is square root of 2 over square root of 3. This is square root of 6, right? So now we're gonna say this is rationalizing here. This is 2 times this and this is square is going to be 3 only, plus this one 2 times square root of 3, and this square is going to be only 3, and then this is square root of 6, and then we're going to have here this one is the same denominator, so we're going to have 2 plus 1, we're going to have 3 square root of 6 over 3. This is square root of 6, and then from here we get square root of 6 equals square root of 6. Okay, so we're done from here. Thank you for watching the video, guys. See you next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.